Hi guys, bradamckinnon here. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the Hyde corner sponge, and I've been using it for quite a while now and really enjoy it, really like it. It's great for just finishing off those internals, just getting right in the corner there where the machine doesn't get. The machine gets nearly gets right into the corner, but just doesn't quite get all the way. So you really need to just run something up right in the apex of that corner. So the Hyde corner sponge is perfect. I used to just use the little hand sponges, but this is so much faster. And of course, once it's on the extension pole, you can just do it off the floor. The reason I think it's so good is, if you look at it closely, it's actually less than the 90 degrees, just so right in that edge of the corner sponge there is actually getting right into the corner. So, and you don't want the outer edges of the sponge sort of rubbing along the edges, because you'll leave a line there and you can see they're cut off, so there's no chance of that happening. And if you look down the sort of center, you can see it's actually curved. It's got a slight curve in it, which just allows for less friction, I guess. Yeah. And then I always finish off with just a little hand sponge in the corner, in the three ways, and my scraper there, just to tidy up.